Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. I'm going to show you something really quick today. We're going to talk about these spark plug removal tools. You may have one of these lying around in your garage and you may be thinking to yourself, how do I use this? How does this work? Um, and the answer is actually pretty simple. Inside, there's a little rubber tab. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of a rubber, sort of a gasket, and that grabs onto the spark plug. And there's a U joint in the center that keeps this thing flexible. And it's got this simple shaft with little tabs on the top that you use to loosen the spark plug. And the way we use this, I'm going to show you. It's really simple. You take it and you throw it straight into the fucking trash. And what you do is you get yourself one of these instead, these socket type ones, because there's no way in hell that you're going to loosen a spark plug using that crap metal tool with its little tabs. Those damn tabs always bend and you will hate your life and you'll hate that tool. I fucking hate that tool. Just throw it straight into the garbage.